Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows security not working on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. See, when you open Windows security and go to the virus and threat protection page, you will notice that there is a third-party antivirus mentioned here. And till that third-party antivirus is present on your system, you will not be able to use Windows security. So right-click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Apps tab, select Installed Apps. Wait for it to load, click on the three dots associated with the security and uninstall it. Okay, this way you can uninstall that antivirus and you will be able to use Windows security. And then after that, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Check for Updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.